AI can now help you write questions for a quiz. First, make sure the feature is enabled. In your course navigation menu, click Settings, click Feature Options, and make sure Ignite AI Question Authoring for Quizzes is enabled. Now, create your quiz. Click Quizzes and click the blue button to create a new quiz. Name your quiz, assign it points and due dates, etc. as you normally would, and click Build. To add a new question, click the blue and white plus button. Click Generate with AI. Now you will select the content from which you would like AI to create the questions. You can select your source content by clicking the Select from Course link. This is organized by module. Select the page or file you would like the AI to get the questions from and click Select. You can also paste text to generate questions. You can also tell the AI what you would like it to focus on. From the drop-down menus at the bottom, you select what kind of question type you would like, the number of questions, and the point value. Click Generate Questions. This can take a while. The question has been created. You can edit and review it by clicking the Edit and Review button, and you can discard or save. Then click Add to Quiz. You'll continue the process for any other questions you have.